Well, good morning. Today on this Tuesday, we've got some beautiful weather out there for a lot of places. The wind is still enough to move those flags down at the Dakota Magic Casino, but it's gentle movement here. Very light wind to start off and temperatures that are comfortable. The dew points down. A great start to our day for this Tuesday again. And as we take a look at your radar and satellite map here, you can see that we don't have much to show. Just a couple of clouds working their way through the Devil's Lake Basin. This is moving southeast, so you may see those clouds increase as the morning goes along in some areas. Eventually they'll move on. You'll get some sunshine right back here as we make our way into the early afternoon. And expanding the view, not much else to show here as well in the tri-state area. So good travel this morning. Now, if you're going to be traveling in Minnesota this afternoon, we'll have to watch out for some thunder showers. We're going to be talking about that coming up, as well as the increasing wind. It's not too bad right now, less than 10 miles per hour in most areas. It's coming in out of the west or northwest. We've got, again, those comfortable temperatures in the upper 50s to some low 60s in most spots. 60 degrees in Fargo. It's 59 in Grand Forks and 63 in Detroit Lakes. Back over into Devil's Lake, one of our warmer spots at 65. Thanks to that cloud cover helping to insulate us a little bit there. And as we make our way through the morning here in your hour by hour planner, again, here's that cluster of clouds moving through. They'll be rolling eastward, and then by noon, some of us in the eastern part of our viewing area will start to see a few more clouds there. Temperatures into the 70s to near 80 around lunchtime. And then here comes the wind, not as strong as yesterday, but we'll see that wind turning northwesterly and gusting into some 20s at times. This is 3 o'clock. And around that time, we'll also be experiencing some of those pop-up afternoon thunder showers with the daytime heating here. So we're looking at our eastern counties being impacted by that. The Lake of the Woods, Beltrami County, down into Hubbard and Wadena counties. These areas here are most likely to experience it, and then places east if you're going in that direction as well. You could see these isolated storms continue into the 5 o'clock hour. That's where temperatures will be more into the 70s, low to mid 70s for today. And then other spots getting into the low 80s coming up for this afternoon. So temperatures right around average in a lot of spots. A nice summer day as far as warmth is concerned, with a little bit of that breeze we'll have to watch out for. And then continuing on into this evening, these storms will continue, but as we get closer to sunset and after sunset, they'll really dwindle because they'll lose that energy that's driving them. And so by 10 o'clock, they're pretty much done at this point. Temperatures starting to slide to 60s to around 70 at 10 o'clock tonight. And then continuing into tomorrow morning, we've got some upper 50s to some low 60s to start the day, with some very light wind yet again. So good sleeping weather here for tonight, and that continues into the start of your Wednesday as well. So let's take a look at your 7-day planner. Some big changes coming. Today, tomorrow look pretty good. Tomorrow, lesser chances for rain and thunder in the east. We've got temperatures into the 80s. But then Thursday is when the heat really cranks up. We're looking at returning to 90 degrees, humidity returning with that too. And if it's warm enough, we'll see that chance for some thunderstorm activity to develop in the afternoon and evening and carrying on into early Friday. We'll have to watch out for the potential for some isolated severe as well. But that heat, even after that clears, sticks around. We're going to be into those 90s all through the weekend and even to continue on into next week. So an extended range of hot and uncomfortable, dangerous weather for those of us who are susceptible to the heat. So this is something to take seriously as it's coming our way. And we'll watch out for those storms too coming up for Thursday.
All right, Lisa, thank you this morning.